Afternoon, folks. Brian here, back again. Geomagnetic Earth Watch on Tuesday, January 24, 2023 on our planet. Time for a deep earthquake report. This is a repeat occurrence from January 20. So this morning we have two deep earthquakes in Argentina. 6.4 is at 577 and 601 kilometers deep. This is the exact location of the 6.8 4 days prior on January 20. Now, going back to the subject of deep earthquakes, sometimes from a deep earthquake we can have a shallower, larger earthquake. Now, the 6.8 4 days prior, we have not had a response. Me personally, I would give this window another 3 days. Now again, the energy rises, and as it rises, it increases in amplitude, but we have this following one in the exact location that might give it a push up. I'm not saying that there's going to be a deep, larger, shallower earthquake. However, that notice should still be issued. Now for antipodes. The antipode is, I'll show you precisely. So this is our deep earthquake, Argentina. The antipode, the opposite side of the world, is near the coast of China, between China and Taiwan. So the weakest point being the fracture zone on the coast of Taiwan. From the previous deep 6.8 earthquake, we have not seen any appreciable response at this time. I am not familiar with any fault lines in this area. I'm not going to waste my time looking for one. Since most of our earthquake activity happens right here in the subduction zone, this will be our focus of attention for the next week. So again, another deep earthquake, 6.4 at 600 kilometers deep. And we will be watching closely. Now, since I'm here, we do have a return of our heat signatures for Indonesia. I have an idea what's happening. First, let's just cover a few areas. Tambora, once again, is starting to light up, including inside the crater. Now, remember my previous talks on mantle plumes. Magma wave action within the mantle plumes. It's arms, branches, nodes. Now, following the deep, correction, not deep, the 7.6 or 7-point earthquake that happened here, immediately following, we had this entire area light up with heat signatures, including on the Java Sea. Then all of a sudden, all of our heat signatures completely disappeared from here all the way to here and on the floor of the Java Sea. So maybe we have some movement, or had some movement, of the magma plume corridor or arm or branch. And now it's resumed. Just an idea floating through my head. Anyway. Again, while I'm here, let's just go through a couple of areas. Things have seemed to have settled down around the Fiji area and south of Fiji, deep earthquake-wise. That's it for now, folks. I'll be back later on. This is an aftershock from the 7.2 earthquake. I'll be back later.